小心在澎湃，不用徘徊。他要打败飘在人海，随着心情放四海，别服输，跟着脚步，要爱你就来。狂浪是一种态度，狂浪在起起伏伏，狂浪狂浪狂浪狂浪狂浪是一种态度，狂浪是不被约束，狂浪狂浪一路疯狂，一路流浪，一路向远方。一波一波接踵而来，大风带着我摇摆，人在燃烧，心在澎湃，不用徘徊。他要打败飘在人海，随着心情放四海，别服输，跟着脚步，要爱你就来。狂浪是一种态度，狂浪在起起伏伏，狂浪狂浪狂浪狂浪狂浪是一种态度，狂浪是不被约束。
The scene CSV of a 5-axis gantry. Let's see the CSV scene file. The GAMM.X is the foundation X file. Define the object 0. Translocate the 0. 462.043. The rest 5 parameters is the view record. So let's see the foundations as file. GANM. Let's use new to clear the screen and use as model function. GANM. Here, GANM.X. The foundation at both sides. The next record, GANYY.X, is object 0. Object 0 is the y-axis attached to 0. Object 0 attached to the foundation, GANM. Translocate 1 means this is a translation axis. The motion control card using the second axis. The moving direction is 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0 is y direction. GANYY. Let's model to see GANYY.X like this. This is Y1, this is Y2, which is a gantry moving along Y positive direction this way. Next is GANXS.X, which is object 2, is a x-axis attached to object 1, attached to GANYY y-axis, which is a translation moving along 1, 0, 0 x-axis direction using motion control card 1. GANXX. So the x-axis moving along this bar. Left and the right. The next is ganzz.x. Object is 3. Is z axis. Attached to object 2. Object 2 is ganxs.x is x axis. The z-axis is a translation as well. The direction of moving is 0, 0, 1 along z positive direction using motion control car 3. ganzz.x. The z-axis is on top of x-axis, moving up and down. Next is ganzz.x, which is object 4 attached to object 3. Object 3 is z-axis. The c-axis translocate is 2, means it is a rotation axis. The pivot points SYZ is 00365.3, and the rotating axis is 001, rotating around z positive direction using the motion control car 5th axis. ganzz.x. The rotating axis by right hand rule is 001. Rotating position is here. It's 00365.2.3. That means from the original of the wall coordinates up 365.3 millimeters to touch the pivot points of c-axis. ganbb.x is the b-axis, defines object 5 attached to object 4. Object 4 is c-axis. The b-axis translocate is 2. It's a rotation axis. The pivot point is 00 to a 4.06, rotating around 010, rotating around y-axis by using the force of the motion control car. ganbb.x. The b-axis rotating around the y positive direction. The pivot points from here to a 4.06 millimeters from these points to the pivot points. So the B rotating around the y-axis. Gantry.x is object 6 attached to 5. Fifth object attached to fifth object is the b-axis. The translocate 3 means this is a tool. 00 minus 2A4.6 to the TCP points. Again, tool. Means from the original points of the machine. The original points of the machine is defined by the C rotating axis cross the B rotating axis is these points. The TCP is from these points down to a 4.03 millimeters to the TCP points. And the tool rotates around y-axis 90 degree. Next, 6 dummy.x defines the translocate 4 minus 3 is defined the first axis. That means the axis limitation. The positive point 1.5 meter. The minus limitation is 0.5 millimeter, 0.5 meter as well. The translocate 5 minus 3 is 2. These divided axis 2 is defined the y-axis limitation. The y positive up to 1 meter. The minus limitation is 0.7 meter. 6 minus 3 defines 3. It defines the z-axis. The positive is 400 millimeters. The minus 100 defines the minus limitation. 7 minus 3 defines the force axis. The force axis is b-axis. The positive is 91 degree. The minus is 91 degrees as well. The a minus 3 defines the fifth axis, defines the limitation of c-axis. The positive up to 360 degrees. The lower limit is 360 as well. The next three, S original, Y original, Z original, define the RGB arrow. Give object number as well. In here, we have to see the attached to 5. TCP has relationship with the tool. The tool attached to 5. The RGB attached to 5 as well. Translocate using 99 means we can use the original sRGB. The program will automatically set RGB arrows to the TCP points by setting attached to 5, the same object as the tool, and the translocate give 99. In here, the end of the CSV scene definition given 6 means the schema of this mechanism is SYZ BC standard 5-axis machine.
燃烧，心在澎湃，不用徘徊。他要打败，飘在人海，随着心情放四海，也不输，跟着脚步，要爱你就来。狂浪是一种态度，狂浪在起起伏伏，狂浪狂浪狂浪狂浪，狂浪是一种态度，狂浪是不被约束，狂浪狂浪，一路疯狂，一路流浪，一路向远方。一波切中而来，大风带着我摇摆，人在燃烧，心在澎湃，不用徘徊。他要打败，飘在人海，随着心情放四海，也不输，跟着脚步，要爱你就来。狂浪是一种态度，狂浪